Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how do you make like a camping voice. A camp. Okay, so you guys have played camping before, so you guys should like see something down there, and then you should have text down there. That's why I'll be showing you what to do. So first you go to Starter GUI and you click this plus button, and you gotta wait. Click the plus. Okay, something's going on. Okay, so what you do is click the plus button and you click screen GUI. So now you should have a screen GUI. So then you click screen so then you click the plus button on screen GUI and then click frame. So you should have a frame or this right over here to the right top of to the left top of your screen. So what you're supposed to do, you see this thing? You just wanna do this. Just stretch it out like right there. Just stretch it out like that. So after you have stretched that, just leave it up there, or you can put it down here. You can put it at least down here or up there. That's what I prefer. So you go to frame right here, you click this plus mark and then do image label. Now you should have this right here onto your screen. Okay, and then what you want to do is go to search. So what you want to do is just type in NPC or just noob or anything like that. So yeah, you could just type in noob or just a regular NPC bot. But the thing I use is this load character. So where you need to get this at is you go to models and then click that and then go down, click plugins and then load character. That's what you need to get. Or unless you just want to use an NPC like I said. So that's where I got my plugin thing at, so what I use. But the character who I'm going to be using is this beautiful boyo. Um yeah, you'll just see him in the future. Just promise. Uh I might not remember. I'll just keep it in mind. You'll just see this guy in the future, trust me. But then you wondering, you already do have it, but you're like, hey Hassan, how do you use it? So you just need to type in your player name or anybody who you want to spawn in. And then you got two options. You can spawn them in R6 or R15. Now I choose R15. And then bam, your character's right here. There. Okay, so after you got your model here, so what you want to do is go to plugins. You want to click off plugins. And then go to models. I did not mean models, I meant images. But I have already got an image. And I will just use this image that I have put. So, yeah. So yeah, the image that I had did, like, this is him right here. So, yeah. That'll be going in the image label. So right now Roblox is broken, so I do not know what happened. Adopt Me literally got a lot of characters. It might be an update to it, but I am not sure. Okay, so where you want to go to is create. Um, so yeah, I gotta wait for it to load, and then you want to go to decals. And then you want to click the decal that you have uploaded to Roblox. And then like see, look, it's the same image as what I had used in the Roblox Studio thing I had used. So yeah, you guys see these numbers up here? What you guys want to do is left click and then hold and then do copy and paste. And then you want to go back to Roblox Studio, click image label. Then you want to go somewhere that says image, the first row that says image. Not the first row up there. Just if you find image right here and you see image right there, that's where you will be putting your code at. So what you're supposed to do is delete that and then paste in the code that you already put. And then bam, it's up there. See? It's up there. So that's how you put the image up there. Yeah. Oh, I'm speechless right now. And I think I had deleted my NPC. Let me spawn him back real quick. Okay, so our Roblox character is back, or whichever one you're using. You're probably using your own, like from the load character script. So yeah. Okay, so thing is, what you need to do is go to frame. Okay, so you want to go to frame, touch the plus button, and put text labeled. So you should have a sign that says labeled. So what you want to do the same thing as you had that I had did earlier. Just you want to stretch it out, put it neatly inside the box, like how I did. Okay, so what you want to do is click on text labeled, and then you see background transparent. Okay, you guys get what I'm trying to stay, cause I keep stuttering. Okay, so so yeah, you need to put um background transparency 1. I think. Hold up. So yeah, you're supposed to put it on 1 like that. So now what you want to do is click frame, then go down, and then background transparency 1 again. So this is what's going to happen. So the box will disappear, but the what's it called? The icon will just stay like that. You could just keep on 0 if you just want it just the same, or you could just want it just nothing. Okay, so you want to click text label and then go down. Then we have to scroll down just more, and then text scale. Yeah, you see text scale? Put that check mark. Um okay, so your text should be big now. So yeah. And if you want, it's your decision to do. So you need to go to source. You need to go see text, and then the first one is front. So you actually want to change this to any type of thing, any typical thing you want. So what I really like to change minds into is cartoon. This will also affect what it would. You want to keep stuttering, dude? All right, sorry. Um, it will change the label text thing. Okay, so you see text color 3. So this is like you see this. The label color is just black. So what we could do, we could just click this, and then this will pop up. Okay, so this will appear. So what you could change it to any color you want, like green. It will affect the label thing you have. So let's do white. Let's just keep it on white. See, it changed the label into white. Okay, so you want to get rid of label. Just leave it blank. So you want to add a script on text label. So, and then your script will come on. So yeah. Okay, so what you want to do is just put this small script. Okay, so you guys could just pause the video and put this. So what you could do is just copy and paste the thing like I already did. So I'm just gonna do it off camera for a minute. So give me like 1 minute. Okay, so I have written. Sorry. Okay, so I have written my script. So this is what you're supposed to do. You should just copy and paste. So yeah, I think this is it. What you're supposed to do? I'm not sure. Okay, so now what we do is press play. Now we need to wait because my Roblox Studio is so slow. Oh, and my Roblox Studio is not responding. Okay, so it's about to start. Just need to wait for a few. Okay, nope, it's not responding again. Why? Why is it not responding? Okay, it's starting. Please do not do that, please. Okay. So I guess we need to wait. I think I may need to start again because then it's just going to say the lines after I'm not done with them, or I am done with them. It's not showing me. Okay, so now it's starting. Oh, I've seen you woke up from your nap. Remember I said come in my van for free candy? Well, you're in my van right now. so now you are, uh, let's just say, getting taken away, or what? Kidnapped. Wow, wow, some true story. And now you will be my new puppet, my friend. And you will be mine, old fellow mate. Wow. And now it's time for me to put you down. I made an error mistake. Any last words? Oh, you can't talk. So you can just say dot dot dot. Well, my friend, it's time to die. Cuts beef with a big knife. This beef will be so good for dinner. Hey, what are you looking at? I'm trying to eat. Do you want to end up like this chicken? I thought so. Get out of my house! Uh, and then the story just ends there. Just ends there. Wow, wow, wow. Whoa, whoa, congrats. That's a good story. A very good story. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. This is actually kind of my first tutorial. I'm glad you guys could do it yourself, cause I did a tutorial on it. You big-headed freak. So yeah, tell me what you guys want for another video, and I might do it. I do not know. I'm just a slow channel. I just want to become big and popular. That's why I started this whole YouTube channel. Please. So yeah, if you guys like, just subscribe. Just do it for me, please. Even though this tutorial is supposed to be short, I made it. It's probably like 10 minutes long now. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, even though I don't really post that much. It's been like 3 weeks since I ever have posted, because I don't have any ideas. Nobody didn't give me any video ideas. So yeah, just subscribe, just like the video, just please, I just need. You see this rat boy? Okay, no, I shouldn't threaten anybody. I am a good boy. Subscribe.